My name is Remark Malta from BSIT3L. Number 1. How can you define a simple route in Laravel in what would be a real-life example? A sample route is defined in the routes/web.php file using the route package. Number 2. How do name routes work in Laravel, and how might you use them in a real-world application? Name routes allow to assign a name to a route and reference it instead of using its URL. This makes your code easier to maintain. Number 3. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Routes groups allow you to apply common settings, middleware, prefix, namespaces to multiple routes. Number 4. How does middleware work in Laravel, and can you provide a practical example? Middleware filters HTTP requests before they reach your route or controller. It is commonly used for authentication, logging, or security. Number 5. How can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel includes built-in CSRF or cross-site request forgery protection for forms.